Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to remove To Pay on AliExpress. So if you added something to your To Pay section on AliExpress but you change your mind, here's how to remove it. Open AliExpress and go to your account at the bottom right and go to section My Orders right here, and at the top go to section To Pay. So now you have to find exact order that you want to remove and tap on it to open its details, and then select the button Cancel Order. Then you have to provide the reason why you basically want to cancel it, confirm, and the item will disappear from your To Pay section. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.